Searching for the best portable gas grill feels like walking into a room where every option looks identical. Same stainless steel, same folding legs, same perfect for camping tagline. But here's the thing, the real difference isn't in the photos. It's in how they actually perform when you're miles from home with hungry friends waiting. Product number 1, Cuisinart Chef Style 2-Burner. This Cuisinart Chef Style grill caught my eye because it doesn't pretend to be small, it's built like a serious grill just packed into a portable frame. At $218, it's one of the pricier options here, but you're getting two 10,000 BTU burners, stainless steel grates, and a twist-start ignition that actually works every time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those dual burners let you sear steaks on one side while slow-cooking veggies on the other, something most portable grills can't do. The 18.3 x 21.5-inch footprint fits easily on a picnic table, and at 22 pounds it's light enough to carry but heavy enough to stay stable in wind. Plus, setup takes under 10 minutes with no tools, perfect when you're tired after hiking. Over 1,000 people bought this last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs scream reliability. Now, some people might complain about the price, and yeah, it's not cheap. But here's the thing, if you're grilling more than once a month or feeding a group, this isn't overkill, it's an investment. The stainless steel resists rust, and the locking lid means your food won't fly off during transport. This is perfect for you if you camp regularly, tailgate with friends, or just want a backup grill that doesn't feel like a toy. Skip this one if you only grill once in a blue moon or need something ultralight for backpacking. For frequent outdoor cooks, though, this delivers serious value. Product number 2, Charbroil Convective 1-Burner. Now, if the Cuisinart's price made you wince, meet the Charbroil Convective, a no-frills workhorse at just $51. This black beauty gives you 190 square inches of cooking space and uses a single burner powered by liquid propane. It's simple, tough, and gets the job done. If you want reliable heat without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The porcelain-coated grates resist rust and clean up fast, no scrubbing for hours after a messy cookout. The steel body has a high-temp finish that holds up against rain and sun, and at 24 x 12 x 15 inches, it tucks into a car trunk like a dream. It's not fancy, but it heats evenly thanks to the convective design, which circulates hot air so your burgers don't burn on the edges while staying raw in the middle. Over 800 sold last month, proof that budget doesn't mean broken. Now, some people complained about the 90-day warranty, and honestly, that's short. But here's the thing, for under $60, you're not buying a lifetime appliance. You're buying a solid, disposable-friendly grill that'll last a season or two if you treat it right. Just don't expect it to survive a cross-country move. This is perfect for you if you're a casual camper, college student, or need a backup for spontaneous barbecues. Skip this one if you're cooking for more than 4 people regularly or want precise temperature control. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Royal Gourmet GT 1001. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be the sweet spot for most people, the Royal Gourmet GT 1001. At $141, it's mid-range but packed with features, 285 square inches of cooking space, a 10,000 BTU U-shaped burner, and a removable grease tray. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 214 square inch stainless steel grate fits 10-12 burgers easily, perfect for family tailgates or beach cookouts. The warming rack adds extra space for buns or veggies, and the folding legs lock into place so it won't wobble on uneven ground. Plus, the included tank regulator works with standard 1-pound propane tanks, so you don't need adapters. Now, some people mentioned the assembly instructions were vague. And yeah, the first setup might take 20 minutes instead of 10. But here's the thing, once it's together, it's rock solid. And for under $150, you're getting near-professional heat distribution and durability. This is perfect for you if you want more space than a mini grill but don't need dual burners. Skip this one if you're solo camping or hate assembling gear. For weekend warriors and small families. This hits the Goldilocks zone. Product number 4, Cuisinart Petite Gourmet. Now if the Royal Gourmet still feels too big, meet the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet, a tiny titan at just 17 pounds and $158. Don't let the size fool you. It packs a 5,500 BTU burner, 150 square inches of porcelain enameled grate, and a briefcase-style handle. If you want power in a package that fits on a balcony or in a backpack, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That compact size means you can grill on a tiny apartment patio, in a crowded campsite, or even at a park with strict space rules. The twist-to-start ignition fires up instantly, and the temperature gauge helps you avoid undercooked chicken. Plus, the grates are dishwasher safe, a huge win when you're cleaning up in a public restroom. It fits 8 burgers, so it's not for big groups, but for 2-4 people, perfect. Now some people wished it had more BTUs, and yeah, 5,500 is on the lower side. But here's the thing, lower heat means better control for delicate foods like fish or shrimp. It's not for searing ribeyes, but for everyday grilling, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space, camp solo, or want a secondary grill. Skip this one if you're feeding a crowd or need high heat searing. For urban grillers and minimalists, this is a quiet hero. Product number 5, Charbroil Stainless Steel 1 Burner. Finally, the Charbroil Stainless Steel 1 Burner, a sleek, no-nonsense option at $116. It's got 200 square inches of space, a piezo igniter, and a rust-resistant steel body. If you want durability and simplicity without the fluff, this is worth a serious look. The push-button igniter means no fumbling with matches, and the 16.4 Oz propane cylinder, sold separately, lasts surprisingly long. At 14.7x 24.75 inches, it's compact but stable, and the heat-resistant handles stay cool even when the grill's hot. Now, some people noted the cooking space feels a bit cramped for large cuts, and yeah, you're not fitting a whole brisket here. And the porcelain-coated grates wipe clean in seconds. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, easy-to-use grill for weekend trips. Skip this one if you need dual-zone cooking or massive capacity. For reliable, low-maintenance grilling, this Charbroil delivers. So which one's best? The Cuisinart 2 Burner if you want pro-level control, the Charbroil Convective if you're on a tight budget, the Royal Gourmet for the best balance of size and power, the Cuisinart Petite for tiny spaces, and the Charbroil Stainless for rugged simplicity. No single grill wins, it all depends on your adventure. Drop your use case in the comments, I'll help you pick the right one.